I call meeting to order. I now request our DG Sunil to kindly give the opening advice and inaugurate this session. Sunil ji, please.
Good morning to everybody. So, what's yoga all about? We'll understand from first Sapna what yoga is all about. But in the current scenario, we all know that there is a lack of oxygen. And one of the core concept about yoga is breathing techniques. And I'm sure Sapna is going to take us through a journey and a story of how to improve breathing techniques so that, in God forbid, in case we have any problems, we can always help ourselves. Also, of course, yoga gives a good body image. Yoga, it's not the looks that are enhanced, but it's the inner awareness. It focuses on your attention and your body's ability to be in the present moment. It helps, of course, the breath and strength of the mind and body. It's never about physical appearance.
Yeah, thank you, Sunil ji. I now request our medical director Kunal Kapadia to give a very brief introduction of Sapna, and then Sapna will take over. Yeah, I mean Kunal, please.
Thank you, President Kishore. Thank you, DG. Sapna is a proud Rotarian and Seacoaster. She is a part of the team medical committee at Seacoast and the secretary for this year. Professionally, she is the founder of and CEO of YoFit. She is qualified and has an MSc in yoga from Tamil Nadu. Uh, Physical education and sports university. She also has a diploma in yoga from Vethari Maharishi Institute in Tamil Nadu. Sorry, Sapna may not have pronounced the name correctly.
Name does not matter at all. Work should.
Yes, she is the author of the best-selling book Never Visit a Doctor: How to Stay Fit and Healthy Forever. She hosts an awesome YouTube channel, Sapna YoFit. She's an accomplished Reiki master and a NLP trainer. Now, don't ask me what NLP is. She believes classical dance is the best form of yoga, and you will be dancing to her tunes for the next 21 days. Net, she is highly passionate about yoga and overall well being. Her qualifications and experience make her a worthy teacher. This wellness guru makes you physically and mentally fit. Get rid of fat. Yeah, the third photo is mine. The most recent photo that you see in this slide, and helps condition the mind. The right photo is Mr. Kishore Masurkar, directing his employees at Entod Pharma. She has done many programs with corporates and societies on yoga and meditation, focused on wellness, therapy, and healing. We too now have this opportunity to learn from her knowledge and ability as a yoga guru. She is a famous personality like me and is covered in various magazines. Her book too received accolades from Mr. Satish Kaushik and fitness guru Mickey Mehta. She is enthusiastic and energetic. Net, that is the summary of Sapna. Okay, so please make best use of the next 21 days under her guruship. We're all surely going to come out much better off than what we are today. Over to you, Madam Secretary.
Thank you so much, Kunal, for such a wonderful introduction. All right. So as I said earlier, namaste to all my fellow Rotarians. And Sunil ji ne mera kaam bahut aasan kar diya hai, talking about yoga, how it really helps you. And trust me, yoga will actually give you a U-turn. It will give you a complete U-turn to your life. Being the first day, I'm not taking you up straight away to, practices and all, because I'm sure many of you must be doing, but there may be some people who are completely new to this concept. Therefore, understand what I will take you through during these 21 days of journey. All right. So bear with me for some time. And after that, we'll start with the breathing exercises and other practices for today, and then continue from tomorrow onwards. All right. So let's begin. Well, as we all know, what we are suffering through, what we are going through these days, and all because of this scenario which is there. So nowadays, what happens is, let me just quickly run through this, which is very important for you all to understand. And I'm sure we all are facing all these. Chemical and emotional imbalances are happening within us. Whatever work we are doing, whether it is family, professional, whatever it is, but these things are very, very often, and a lot of friends, colleagues, neighbors, they start talking about these problems within them. Without anything, anger, agitation, there is no reason to be that, but people are actually reacting that way, right? So anger, agitation, feeling nervousness, tensed all the time, fearful, kya hoga, situation kya hogi, you know, what will happen to us? Will this COVID really take us away? Will my family members be all right because of this? These kind of, tension and fearfulness is always there within us. Of confidence, yes. This confidence, हमारा जो confidence है वो हिलता जा रहा है, no doubt about it. We are not confident that we used to do anymore. Stress, anxiety has become a friend of ours. You all will agree to this. Sleep problem is leading to a lot of, disease like insomnia. A lot of people are complaining about it these days. See, Netflix is a different thing. But अगर आपको नींद आएगी, तो you will leave that Netflix also and go and sleep, right? But that is not happening, unfortunately. Constant headache, people are experiencing this because of breathing. We are not getting proper oxygen. We are not moving out of our houses. We are inside. Lockdown hai, nahi hai. Even then, people are really scared. They are forced to go out for some necessary things. Even for the past 1 year that we have seen this. So this constant headache is there, dizziness, and all the more the stiffness in their body, because we are not active anymore. We are not doing exercises. We are not doing yoga. We are just taking it as a theory. I'm not offending anyone here, but just ask yourself, how many of you are really waking up early at 5:30 in the morning? The answer will be, I don't know, just true to yourself, right? Waking up early in the morning itself will correct your lifestyle. Even if you do only half an hour every day yoga and do nothing, just be mindful, as Sunilji said, your life will be taken care. So, what is the reason? Reason we all know, our lifestyle. But nowadays, the big reason is COVID-19, which has now become COVID-21, leaving us nowhere. This is a nail in the coffin that is killing all of us. So what we should do? I would like to talk about swine flu came. The situation was really, really very bad at that time also. But nothing is permanent. Change is the only permanent, and it went. But now COVID has shaken the entire world, and we are just dependent on vaccine for our survival. Unfortunately, vaccine is becoming the source of our survival these days. But what you should do is, yoga and meditation is the only sanitizer, this always I say, which will clean your mind, body, and soul. Yoga is not only about your appearances, not about your zero figure, not about how packs you are making. It is all about within you, right? So practice with me and take a natural vaccine of immunity booster. That is yogic practices. This is what I'll be doing during these sessions that you all will be doing. That is asanas, pranayama. Take a vaccine of asana, pranayama, mudras. Nobody talks about mudra. I will come with a new concept with mudras also with all of you. Meditation and diet, of course. You have to be mindful what you're eating. This all together will take you through this 20-25 days, which we have now, which is very tough to break this chain of COVID. Just keep practicing with me and you'll be just out of it. So what happens? Understand a little concept of this. Panchabhutas, this was one of the core areas also, 5 elements, in our district. So if you see Panchabhutas, we all know that our body is made of Panchabhutas. Just a theory. You have to bear with me to understand this. And these are the 5 fingers which represent these 5 elements in our body, right? This is fire, air, space, just simply earth and water. Now, for a layman, it becomes a little difficult to remember these. Why it is important for you is, whatever I'll be telling you, कि चलिए खड़े हो जाइए, हाथों को ऐसे घुमाइए, what asana you are doing, if your mind is also functioning continuously, telling you that, okay, today you are doing this pranayama and this pranayama will help you in this way, so your mind will guide your body, your cells that do that. So if you do this particular mudra, you should know कि कौन सी mudra है and what I'm doing with my body if I make fingers like this. Therefore, it is important for you to remember. And I give a small, simple logic to all of you. बस आप इतना याद रखिए, आपको face wash करना है. Look at the spelling, guys. F-A-S-E. S को भूल जाइए, C को याद रखिए for a moment. Face की spelling होती है F-A-C-E, right? मैं कहती हूँ F-A-S-E, face. So you just do face wash with your water. Look at the order, face, F-A-S-E. And what do? You do face wash with what? With water. तो ये हो जाएगा water. You will never forget this. Face, F-A-S-E. तो ये हो गया fire, ये हो गया air, ये हो गया space, ये हो गया earth, and this is your water. So if you make a mudra like this, I tell you, when we'll be doing meditation during this program, I'll tell, okay, sit in Jnana Mudra. So you are making the use of your fire and air element. That means you're balancing your fire and air element in your body. If you do like this, what will you be doing? Just ask yourself, this is fire and this is space. So you will be balancing space and fire element within you. तो आप कर क्या रहे हैं? What are you doing to your body? Once you know, once your brain knows, your brain will tell you कि look boss, this is what you are doing today. आज आप अपने साथ ये कर रहे हैं और ये चमत्कार होने वाला है आपके शरीर के अंदर. So this is what you have to understand. This was the logic behind this, showing you these panchabhutas. The whole of our body is made only of these panchabhutas, and these panchabhutas only further make everything within us. So balance your panchabhutas, which are the cause of all the diseases. Look at this small example. Abhi मैंने आपसे बात की fire and all these elements. If your fire element is imbalanced within you, what will happen? सिर्फ एक fire imbalance, because there should be a proper balance of all these 5 elements in our body. So it will create to insomnia, high BP की problem होगी, anxiety will definitely be there, poor circulation of blood and air and everything will come if only fire element is imbalanced in you. आपको पता भी नहीं चलता है और ये अपना खेल करके चले जाते हैं. This is just the game of these 5 elements, guys. Another example of your water element, fire or water. These are 2 most important factors right now. If you look at this, if water element is imbalanced within you, water ki humne already baat kiya. I told you this is what water is all about. So if you make this, so you are using your fire and water element. Acidity problems hoti hai andar. So you can actually control this. So if water element is imbalanced, you will experience this back pain, guys. Breathlessness problem hogi. This is very important. You should be knowing about it. Vertigo problem will be there. Dizziness hogi. Aap hamesha weakness feel karenge. Stress, anxiety will become your friends overall, right? So therefore I say, please balance your panchabhutas. And these are the panchabhutas which make body doshas within us. So let's quickly go through this. They make body doshas. Now, when I say dosha, for a layman, dosha will be fault. कि भैया ये faults हैं हमारे शरीर में. No, these are body dosha. This is an Ayurvedic term, and each body dosha is combination of 2 elements that we talked about. That is panchabhutas, right? So I'm not going deep into it, but what you have to understand, these body doshas are very important for our body machine to run. Like in a vehicle, we put our oil, engine oil, we put water in that, battery में डालना पड़ता है, petrol की जरूरत पड़ती है. Exactly that way, these 3 are very important. Each human being is born with them, but we happily imbalance them. And we say, मेरा तो सर दर्द हो रहा है, मुझे थायराइड की प्रॉब्लम आ गई, I'm so early, at early age only I got diabetes. भैया आई क्यों? Because you are culprit, you did it, you invited them, right? So what you should do is a small request, please go to my website and take a test instantly after the session, whenever you get a time today. So you will take a test. This is body dosha test. Instantly you will get your result. So you will come to know which dosha is dominant in you. Are you correct? Are you completely balanced, or any dosha is which is very dominant? So what should be the range? We'll be talking about that also. What should be the range? If that range is, creating a problem, if you are not within that range, that means you are either you have already invited the diseases which you don't even know, or you are going to invite them. So you must balance your body doshas. Simultaneously, mental gunas. So each one of us is, born with these 3 gunas. That is sattva, rajas, and tamas. So which one you want? They are important. All the 3 are important because all 3 of them play their own role. वो हमारे में passion आता है. Rajas gun is that. Sattva, बड़ी शांति आती है. We don't really make fuss of everything. We don't shout. So if we have sattva gun within us, we can create them. We can balance them. That imbalance thing can be easily balanced with the help of meditation, which I'll be taking you through this program. Okay, so start practicing asanas, mudras, as I said, pranayama, and meditation. Why meditation, guys? Understand a little bit here. I'm again not going into detail, simply showing you the human anatomy here. So if you look at this, these are the hormones that we should be balancing with the help of our own asanas and yoga that we'll be practicing. Recently, there's a vaccine which has come, there's an injection which has come in US, which will increase if you take it, nasal drop hai wo, which you take it, nitric oxide aapke andar banega. But we say you yourself can do that with the help of yoga and pranayama. Brahmari, that I'll be helping you to do. Brahmari is the pranayama which will help you to create this automatically in your body. Why do you really why do you really want to depend on these outside sources, which you already have everything within you? Okay, so these are the hormones which you can actually release within your body with the help of asanas and all. ये मैंने क्यों आपको दिखाया, understand what is the logic behind it. So these are actually with these energy centers, that 7 energy centers we have. There are many, but we talk about 7 main energy centers, right? So starting from the bottom, we have 7 energy centers, which will actually convert into, look at this, your chakras. आपने सुना होगा chakra balance, chakra balancing, do you do chakra balancing? Do you meditate on chakras? Bhaiya, these are in science, these are the energy centers. In spiritual language, in a yogic term, we call them chakras. You can see this. The chakras are very well connected. These are the energy centers, which are our chakras. So I'll be making you, meditate on them also. This is how we meditate. These are the chakras. We meditate on them to balance our mind. The entire thing will be in tune. Your mind, body, and soul, they have to work with alignment. If they don't work, you will not be able to do anything, neither professionally nor personally, in a better way. So mental wellness is important. This meditation will take you to mental wellness. You all know these brain waves that we have, right? Whatever we do, let's understand. Nowadays, which I'll be taking you to meditative state, you will be, I'll try my level best to take you with the range of 3 to 8. This is fantastic. I mean, 0 to 3 is like beyond the imagination for a layman. But if we talk about daily, if we start doing meditation and all, you can easily reach, at least for that half an hour or 15 minutes, whenever you do, you can reach to the level of 3 to 8, wavelengths that we talk about per cycle. Okay, per second, cycle per seconds we talk. Similarly, if spiritual practices you do, aap mandir jate hain, aap bhajan sunte hain, satsang sunte hain, you say like, I was in the transit, I was in that. So during that time, you reach the level of 8 to 13. And normal work, whatever we do whole day, we are in the range of 13 to 30. Our brain is always in the range of 13 to 30 seconds, a cycle per second. All right. And 30 to 40 is the time when you get anger, when you get stressed, when you have a lot of tension, pata nahi ye project complete hoga ki nahi hoga, kaise hoga, what happened? So you reach to that level. And sometimes we go beyond that, beyond 40, and that is what stroke, brain stroke come to your life, and I mean, unfortunately, people leave this world. So you have to balance this, guys. Take it seriously. And this easily can be done with the help of your meditation that I'll be helping you, and you will experience it. So when I'll make you meditate, I'll say, and focus on your pituitary gland. Now, where is this pituitary gland? Ye janna zaruri hai. Doctors will know, science background people will know. But again, as I told you, the other people. So you should, initially I mentioned your brain has to help you. So jab aap apni aankhein band karenge, imagine this is your third eye center. Ajna chakra, Agya chakra. This is your third eye center. From here, just 4 fingers like this and another 4 fingers like this reaches your crown chakra. Here, this is your crown chakra, right? So this third eye center, just exactly behind this third eye center, you have this pituitary gland. Chota sa hai, dekh sakte hain aap sab. So when you close your eyes, just imagine that center, that point, and also the shape a little bit. Choti si hai cheez. This is your master gland. This controls the entire body. This helps you releasing every hormone in your body. And then, as I told you, this crown chakra, below crown chakra, in the middle of your head, center of your head, behind this pituitary gland, you will see pineal gland, which is responsible for your peace, happiness, and your sleep. People say, I have a sleep problem. So if you keep practicing, meditating on that pineal gland, crown chakra जिसे हम कहते हैं, उसके नीचे, then you will be able to even come out of your sleep problem, right? Karna aapko hai, I'll be helping you to do. So what you should do is meditate every day, take your daily dose. Dose we say normally because they are nothing but our happy hormones. And these daily dose they are your main buddies. Look at this. They are your main buddies. So D for dopamine, O for oxytocin, ठीक है, DOSE, S for serotonin, याद रख सकते हैं बहुत आसानी से, and E for endorphins. So these are the 4 many very very important hormones which you should be actually releasing every day. और बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं. Start praising your people, यार. किसी ने कोई काम किया, आप उसको इतनी तारीफें दीजिए. Trust me, you become the media that particular time. You become the medium of getting him released his happy hormones. At the same time, when we shout, when we fight with someone, then I mean, you are becoming completely, I would say, an enemy for him. He'll not be able to. आजकल हमें हंसी नहीं आती है. We hear jokes, we look at programs and all. We don't laugh, we don't enjoy. Why? Because these hormones have completely stopped getting released in our mind. So through meditation, my trial would be to get you release these hormones. Sunil ji ने मुझसे शुरू में कहा था Reiki healing the moment he came to know. So spiritual healing is what we talk about. Reiki healing. See, it is थोड़ा सा कॉन्सेप्ट बस बताती हूँ 2-4 मिनट का, because from tomorrow we'll be completely practicing only. the energy is present all around us. आप जहां बैठे हैं वहीं बैठे बैठे एनर्जी को फील कर सकते हैं. There are some techniques. Immediately you can feel that tickling in your hands. You feel heaviness in your hands. You feel, vibrations in your hand. So that is the energy present everywhere in the entire universe. We take the help of that energy only and make ourselves, our friend, and everyone heal. You can do that. So we have chakra healing. On the name of spiritual healing, we talk chakra healing, we say Reiki healing, we say pranic healing, we say mantra chanting, and NLP, as I said. So do that, and solutions are within you. जो आपको अच्छा लगता है, whatever you want to do, please do that. जो अच्छा नहीं लगता है, which your brain is not accepting, throw that out in the dustbin. But accept what you want to do it. All right. So now say to yourself, yes, I can do it. This example I have shown that thyroid problem can also be reversed. Any problem can be reversed by doing a little bit of asanas, pranayama, mudras, and combination of diet altogether. So yoga, healing, and lifestyle corrections will give you a very good, healthy, and happy life. That's a guarantee. Remember. So your journey toward a very healthy life is guaranteed. Let us begin our 21-day journey to fitness. Are you all ready, guys? Yes. Inhale. 1. Yes. 2. 3. 4. 5. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Yes. The same thing should be done with the left hand. Start from back to front. 1, 2, great. 3, 4, and 5. Fantastic. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and start, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Your chest. This is very important. Yes. Move your shoulders. आप ऊपर पहुंच गए हैं.
Presence.
उसके
So
बाद
Sunilji, we want to know from you what is your first day experience here?
Experience has been phenomenal. It's just going back so many years, and I do want to observe and inform that sometimes when you would bring the bee, what is it called, the bee thing,
honeybee, Brahmari.
honeybee thing, I could actually see after the first or second one, I could actually feel the transition of the sound go through. Giving out the first round, second round, and I saw the difference in the entire. Even after we finished, I'm feeling there is that so-called higher circulation of blood, if I can say. I don't know what the real, or maybe it's just oxygen. Maybe
Right.
observation and takeaway, and I just normally you will say the water tank. This time today I'll say. Today I'll say the water tanks.
It's our pleasure and privilege that our DG Sunil Ji Mehra is giving the water thanks. Please.
We start by, of course, Kishore and Sapna. Phenomenal start, and so glad that you just took the opportunity of putting an idea into a reality here. Much needed this morning, and whether it's the weekends only or whether it's more than just the weekends, we look forward to them, and let's improve our health in these current scenarios. It's very important to maintain and stay safe. So thank you again, Kishore, Sapna, and of course the entire club. Once again, thank you.
Friends, today morning I attended the yoga session which has been organized by our club of Bombay Seacoast and done by Sapna and Kishore. Sapna, it was a brilliant session and the 21 days looking forward to it, especially in the current scenario where we really need to learn good breathing techniques, and 21 days is a good opportunity. Friends, please take this wonderful opportunity to learn something that will help you now as well as in the future, and hoping to see a lot more of you for the next 21 days. Take care, stay safe and healthy, and see you all.